All right, welcome to Bit Block Code. Let's work on some Python problems. And we're at CodeWars and we're doing Python. We're learning Python right now. And these are problems I haven't done before. So let's get to it. Let's try this one right here. Exclamation mark series. Replace all val to exclamation mark in the sentence. Okay, so we have an exclamation mark. Oh, got it. Okay, so basically, if it's A-I-O-U, okay, replace that. Okay, let's work in code, Visual Studio. Yeah, we'll just grab this one. Okay, so I think I saw like a good way to do this is do a loop over the string for I in A-E-I-O-U, so each letter. If I in S, then I want to do I replace um, replace I. Oh, okay. So I actually this wants to be S. Replace I with an exclamation mark, and then else. I think I need out like an out string. I think we need to add right, and then this is also. Oh no. Oh, I see. Because it's okay. So if for I in A-E-E-I-O-U, if I think this wants to be like an equals, right? Like if I don't like this at all. Let's just start over. Okay, let me think about this. I could do a regular expression. I think that might be my best. I think that might be the best way to do it. Okay, so return re sub, right? Okay, so now the pattern, do we just put in a string? Would be like A, E, I, O, U, okay, and then replace it with a string, right? And then we want to take in S. We're gonna do it right. Unhashable list. So this list. Maybe this can just be a string actually. Let's try it better. Okay, so yeah, so this doesn't work because it's just replacing it once. Okay, let's go a different route. Let's try a third way. Okay, so for I and for character in S, if character equals A E I O U, do okay, then I need like an out string right here. Right? Because otherwise, so if it's not in there, just put that in there, and then return the out string. I think that's it. Let's check this out. Not the most elegant thing, but okay. A B A B. Oh, so we need to do that. Make everything like no, that didn't work. Okay, let's not do that. It's tricking me up here. Because it's saying basically the capitalization is messing it up, right? So it's doing A, B, C, D, E. Oh man, so I gotta do this again. Oh, what if we just did like, yeah, that I think this might just work actually. Yeah. Okay, so it passed. All right. Now there's probably a better way to do this. Hmm. Uh, hmm. I can kind of see what it would be like. It would kind of be like return. Well, then it would be like join. I know it would be. So it would be like a list comprehension. Okay, so it would be like character um, for character in S if character not in, if character not in, and then this is where I would do else, right? So and then I gotta make something lower. Oh man, so invalid syntax. Yeah, I always mess this up because actually I think the else or wait uh, ch lower and then this needs to actually come up ch lower if ch not in. Now maybe I messed that up. All right, ch lower for ch if ch not in. Let me see if I have one from above here. Right here. So let me just copy this one. We'll bring it down here to look at it. Put it like right here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Let me just bring it out. Okay, so each. Oh, the if statements are right away. Yeah, that's what I was doing, right? Okay, then it wants the else statement up front as well. I think this might work here. Let's just let's see. That's it. I think that's it. Um, okay, we submitted it. Okay. Um, what do we got here? Replace exclamation. So let's compare it with ours. Oh, so they did. Okay, so it's like exclamation if C. So they did the opposite of what I did, which I think this is actually easier to read. And they just did a string. Oh, and they didn't bother lowercasing it. All right, this was a pretty good one. I don't know why this was so tricky for me. LC for CH. I get tripped up like how to do this ternary. So it's like the for loops at the very end if there's an additional, okay, and else statement. I gotta remember that syntax. I like that. So here's the regular expressions that I was attempting. A E I O U. Yeah, that's what I will. Let's try that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty elegant. I like that one the best actually. All right. Then they were doing translate as well. Translate. This just I never really understood translate and make trans. Okay. All right. So that one was a good one. Let's try one more. Triple trouble. Create a function that will return a string that combines all of the letters of the three inputted strings and groups, taking the first letter of all the inputs and grouping them next to each other. Do this for every letter. I feel like this is a zip. This is a zip problem. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's what we need to return. So return. Let me just play with something. X for X and zip 1, 2, and 3. What's that? What's that return? Oh, tuples. Oh, so X, Y. What if I did X, Y, Z? I think I'm on to something. So like if I did this, what happens? ABC, ABC, ABC. Um, oh, this is a cool one. It's Batman. Okay, let's try this one. Batman. Okay, cool. I think we got the answer. Cool. 1, 2, 3. That was a good one. Yeah, so they're doing zip. Wait, is this the yeah? Oh, wait a minute. Wow, they're doing two join statements here. Join, and then they're doing they're doing a they're doing a generator expression here with the parentheses. So they're doing join A or A zip 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Okay, and then this one's A plus B. This is kind of what I was. That's kind of what I did. So they're doing A B C. Yeah, so this is the same thing with one join. I'll vote mine up. That was a good one. So this is a double join, and they're using the args there to unpack that. So. Oh, maybe if you're doing the args, the double join, yeah, the double join might be the way to do it because if you're passing in args, Multiple args, yeah. You might need to do that. That's interesting. Okay, cool. All right, we went 15 minutes, so we got two problems in. Let's do one more. All right, so we need to write a function that reverses the words in a given string. A word can also fit an empty string if this is not clear enough. Here's some examples. As the input may have trailing spaces, you will also need to ignore unnecessary white space. Okay, so let's plug these two in here. Gotta figure out how to do that. All right, so okay, so we want the space, and we want to do strip on that, right? And then what does that do? No, we don't want that. Oh, so that's doing that. Let's just start with the regular loop here. Or word and strip. Let's just call strip. And just see what happens. I don't want that. Do we want to call split? Split. Hello word. Oops. Let's just do one at a time. Yeah. Hello world. Okay. Out list. I'm pretty sure we can kind of do something like just append the word, right? And then couldn't we call reverse sort? Like return out list. Oh, we don't want that at all. So actually want to do world then hello and then just make this a string with a space. Yeah. Oh, we forgot to close something. Oh, I guess needs. All right, passed. Wow, 1,000 tests. Most of them are random. Let's just take a look. Could we refactor this? I feel like we could. Just real quick. So, and then here we do a generator. So it'd be like word for word in string dot split, call split. I don't know if this work. Oh, do we need to do a list? Maybe we need to do a list here. think that is it. Word for word in string dot split. So we're kind of splitting up the string or the argument. So we're taking the string argument, splitting it into a list based on white space, and then we're putting it into a list. So that's become a list, and then we're calling like reverse this semicolon or colon -1 is like reverse the order of that list, and then we're taking join with a white space and creating a string on it. So that was it. Let's put it in. We're going on 21 minutes here. So, oh, they called reverse. So they split the string, which created a list right there. Then they reversed it, and then they called strip on that to get rid of white space, and then they joined it with a space. Pretty cool. No need for strip. Oh, so they could have did this without the strip? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like I'm not an expert. I feel like reversed might take longer, especially if it's a longer list, but I have no idea. Meaning taking longer than this reverse slicing, if you will. I don't know. So a lot of people are using reversed. This person splitting it into a list, taking that list and then just reversing it, and then yeah, just basically doing what we're doing. 2 lines. That's cool. Okay. All right. So there you have it. So we just did 3 quick ones, or kind of quick. The second one was pretty long, but anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.